Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to update Monopoly Go application on your mobile device, whether you are using an Android or iOS. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. You can turn on your mobile data or your Wi-Fi, and once connected, go open your App Store or your Google Play Store. Now bring up the search bar or look for the search bar and then type in Monopoly Go. And once you find this application, go to its info page and look for an update button if available. If you see an update button, tap on it to download the latest version of Monopoly Go application on your mobile device. But if you don't see the update button, it is because you are currently running on the latest version already. So that is how you can easily install the latest update for Monopoly Go, whether you are using an Android or iOS device. The process is quite similar. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.